This is the teacher overview for Unit 6, Module 2, Session 3, Sorting Quadrilaterals. Prior to this session, you will need to get out your geoboards and geobands. You will also need to have out your word resource cards if they aren't already posted. Basically, this session is going to be a session where the students will be getting a sheet. They have on the sheet 4 different spaces to make 4 different quadrilaterals. Prior to them starting, you need to go over quadrilaterals and explain what they look like and different things. The kids will make whatever 4 quadrilaterals they want. For example, I might make a square here, and then I would write square. I would first make this on my geoboard, and this is just the recording sheet. Make sure that they use a ruler so that it's straight and obvious, because the rest of the session, they will need to be able to use those. So in the end, you will have a whole bunch of different ones that are labeled. So for example, this is a quadrilateral. We're trying to get them to be somewhat creative. For example, not just make a square like this, but also make a square like this. You will take all of your students' pieces, they will cut them in 4 and bring them to the carpet. Once you're on the carpet, you're going to have a chance to do many different ways of sorting the different quadrilaterals, because you will have so many different quadrilaterals. You might consider having like hula hoops or something so that the kids can really see the difference and they're easy to differentiate between the different ones. But first you should supply some ways to sort them, and after that have the kids supply different ways that they could sort the quadrilaterals. Not always just, oh, these are all the rectangles, these are all the squares. Maybe we'll sort them by, these are the ones with acute angles and these are the ones that don't have acute angles, things like that. After you're done with that, the session is concluded.